Hey, good morning. Welcome to Coffee and a Forecast. It is day after tax day, which is actually the day before tax day. It is Monday, April 16th. Good morning. Yeah, tax day is the 15th on the calendar, but since it fell on a Sunday, the IRS, the federal government, is giving us 2 extra days. So we don't have to file till Tuesday. And you know me, putting things off to the last minute. Anyway, let's go over, I have this backwards. Here are the numbers from yesterday. It was refreshingly cool. 68 was our high. Very nice, as expected. And that's good. We're going to jump quite a bit from this today, and then we're going to jump again tomorrow. Our average high, 82. We'll be closer to that this afternoon. Low yesterday morning, chilly at 40. Chilly. And then this morning it's going to be almost this chilly, and then not as cold tomorrow morning as we continue to warm up. Average low is 52. And we'll be close to that tomorrow morning. No rain yesterday so far this month, 1200s again at the airport here in Oro Valley, anywhere from 1/4 to 1/3 of an inch, so 2 to 3 times that amount. Oh well, year so far about 2/3 of an inch at the airport, but again up here in Oro Valley, for example, we're closer to 1.5 inches to 2 inches. Still below average, but not as dry as the airport. Sunrise this morning at 5:53. It's happening right now. It's beautiful out there. 5:35 the current time. All right, let's go through the time lapse yesterday, thanks to the University of Arizona and the webcam that they have pointed at the Catalinas. As we put that into motion, let's see if it'll cooperate. It did it again. It hesitates on the air. It must be shy. All right, here we go. Yesterday morning, starting out nice and cool. You can see the steam coming off of something there. Just a few clouds across the area, mostly just sunshine. You see the flag blowing in the breeze, especially in the afternoon. The wind did kick up a little bit, a little more than I expected yesterday, but otherwise it was just sunny and refreshingly cool. And today's forecast, sunny and not as refreshingly cool, jumping to 80 for a high, and this is the pick of the week since yesterday's already gone. I know a lot of you prefer this to yesterday, and some of you prefer this. And we'll be at 90 for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and 92 Saturday and Sunday. Sunshine all along. Breezes about 10 miles an hour, maybe up to 15, so a light breeze for the next few days. But otherwise, not that big a deal. Where am I going? Alright, so I got my tabs out of order. Now it's all discombobulated. Temperatures out there this morning on the cool side. Safford right now 42, 39 Bisbee Douglas Airport, 36 near Bisbee. And again, we're pretty close to that sunrise. These are pretty close to our lows, unofficial lows. Benson at 38, that is kind of cool. 45 at the airport in Tucson, and Casa Grande at 48 right now. 37 Nogales Airport. Zooming in for a few more temperatures near the apartment here, it's 49. Again, 45 at the Tucson International Airport. And then there you go, across the metro right now. Mid-40s for the most part. Got a 43 out here, extreme southeast side. 46 right now in Marana. Well, there's just a line of thunderstorms across the country. We start you out in Texas and Louisiana. And the heavy rain coming down Monroe, Louisiana, all the way back towards Beaumont and Houston. Then it becomes more spotty showers, but some of these are pretty strong. Corpus Christi with some strong storms right now and a flash flood warning. And here's a severe thunderstorm warning. That would be to the west of Corpus and New Braunfels, with a few scattered strong storms nearby, just south of Austin. Then we can just follow this line northward. On the zoom radar, you can do that. You can zoom in and out, but you can also zoom around. So it's kind of fun. The showers get lighter as you move into northern Mississippi and into Tennessee, but still some embedded storms here. And you can see a thin line of stronger storms and intense rain moving into Cincinnati, for example. That's the cold front. And as we get up into the Great Lakes, still coming down as rain in Michigan, but on the backside, it's snowing up in parts of Minnesota and into northern Wisconsin. Very nice. And that is the forecast today. Severe storms possible for the eastern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley. Rain and thunderstorms ahead and along that front, and then flash flooding possible Louisiana into southeast Texas. On the backside, it's snow for Wisconsin, where it's snowing right now, and also some snow possible from British Columbia into Washington State near Spokane. Looks like a chance of snow. Then we've got Idaho with snow, Montana, Wyoming, Utah, and parts of Colorado as well. Storm Prediction Center showing our slight risk of severe weather for the eastern Great Lakes and parts of the Ohio Valley, and then the strong storms possible heading along that front. And see text for some strong storms here in Mississippi, Louisiana, possibly, and back into Texas. We're seeing that already this morning. Severe weather yesterday. Tornadoes reported. It looks like southern Minnesota back into Nebraska, and then the one here south of Tulsa. Wind reports, usually with wind damage, and just kind of we have 19 of those. 20 hail reports down in South Texas and up in here Missouri, parts of South Dakota as well. So springtime, and I guess this could be considered maybe kind of a quiet day. You don't like to see 11 tornadoes, but I don't know of any damage or deaths or injuries, or probably some damage maybe we don't hear about. All right, here we go with the forecast for Tucson. Warming up today, high near 80 after a chilly start this morning. Grab the coat and actually put it on. 52 tomorrow morning, though, not as cold, and then 90 for a high Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 92 for highs Saturday and Sunday. There you have it, coffee and a forecast for Monday, the day after and before tax day. Have a wonderful Monday. It can happen. Happy Monday is not an oxymoron, you know. And thanks for tuning in, Coffee and a Forecast. Tucson's weather lives at tucsonweather.us.